in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, and AM/FM stereo. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.